YouTube. My name's Nick, and I don't do this a lot on reptiles, but I never do this actually. I'm gonna do a review on something. I'm gonna start doing that. Just being turtles, not turtle. Snap. I always use the same routine: snapper, map, then rocket, and then. Okay, so yeah. Here's the danby 3.6 freezer, the compact chest freezer. Very nice. Dog cost in HH brand it costed only $130 or $140, which was perfect. As you can see, I don't have it filled up with rats yet. I am soon. It gets very cold soon. Things already had ice. Now I don't even have it. Works perfect for the everything. With this little tray here so you can put whatever you want. Nice door. Really compact freezer. Okay, there's your specs. Another thing is that it only uses $23 a year on electricity. That's a good. It's very, very. If you don't, this is probably the lowest size you're gonna have if you don't, which is perfect because it's pretty big. So I don't really feel rats in here, but I don't really care if my rats touch ice cream, so I can put some of my ice cream on there. Or maybe gizzards and hearts for when I get my staff and all that fun stuff. $23 a year, which is perfect. Really great. Like nothing. Has this temperature gauge up here is 0 degrees. 0 degrees, and over here is -12, -18 degrees. So yeah, I always put that just in the middle. So yeah, the light tells you when it's on. It just like stopped because I had to change it, so I was gonna change temperatures. Still working, but it has really good. It's just good. 69 pounds. It's great. Well, that's my review. YouTube. My name's Nick, and I don't do this a lot on reptiles, but I never do this actually. I'm gonna do a review on something. I'm gonna start doing that. Just being turtles, not turtle.